Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to unlink Instagram and Threads. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Here, what you need to do is either you can open up your Instagram, then head over to your profile icon and then tap on your Threads icon on the top right side of the screen, or you can just simply head over and open up your Threads app. And once you're inside Threads home screen, what you need to do is simply tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on this three horizontal bar icon. And once you're inside there, among the options, tap on account. And once you're here, what you need to do is select the option that says deactivate or delete profile. Tap on that. And once you tap on that, in order to unlink Instagram and Threads, what you need to do is simply tap on this deactivate profile. And now, in order to confirm your option, what you need to do is simply tap on deactivate. And once you do that, that will basically unlink Instagram and Threads. And that's how you do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.